Hi, I'm Liz. I'm a certified repair technician, and today I'm going to take you through the process of how to troubleshoot what exactly is giving you that LED code of 1.3. Let's get on to the repair process.
I'm going to go inside my laptop and I'm going to locate my RAM modules with my power cord unplugged and as well as my battery unplugged, and I'm going to take them out one at a time to test them. You might ask, Liz, why are you testing your RAM? Well, let's pause for a second to discuss it.
That LED code of 1.3. Keep in mind that it can be typically one of three problems, which is a problem with your RAM, a problem with your motherboard, or a problem with your CPU.
So that's why we're here testing the RAM. I've left one RAM stick in, and I'm going to try turning my computer on with just one, because then if it miraculously turns on without the LED code, then I know I have one bad RAM stick. I'm using the process of elimination to test it, okay? Now, if it still has the LED code, now we're going to reverse the process. We're going to take the other RAM stick out and we're going to put the other one back in, and we're going to test it yet again to see if one of the RAM sticks is bad. Now keep in mind, if you only have one stick of RAM, then you will need to buy a different a brand new RAM stick. I would go with the same kind you have already installed and try it. But once again, I have my other stick of RAM in. You hit the power button, and if the LED code is miraculously gone, then I know it's a problem with my RAM. Also keep in mind, sometimes it is a matter of the RAM just being loose. So you can also try just what we call reseating, which means putting them both in and making sure they're nice and snug and haven't come loose, and see if that fixes the issue. And also trying the other port with both sticks is also a good solution to try. But like I said, we're using the process of elimination to make sure that it's working.
Okay, so if by the process of elimination you found that you took one stick out, it still didn't clear it, the LED code, you took the other stick out, it still didn't clear it, you made sure they were nice and snug, still didn't clear it, you tried different ports, still didn't clear the error. Okay, we've now established it's probably not a problem with your RAM, because RAM is typically like headlights on a car. They tend to go bad one at a time. So you would move on in the troubleshooting process, which means the next step would be try a BIOS reset. That can sometimes revive a problem with a motherboard. How to do that we have in the description down below. Also keep in mind that another thing you can try after that is also motherboard replacement. We have a video in the description down below on how to do that. It's not ideal, but it is an option. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.